So as you can see, I'm able to use a non-PlayStation 5 controller here on my PlayStation 5. So if I go into a game here, you can see it works as well without any lag whatsoever. It's pretty awesome actually. So this actually works exactly like a normal PlayStation 5 controller would. So how did I manage to actually do this? I'm just gonna go back to the menu here. So if you're trying to connect a non-PlayStation 5 controller, even via cable directly to your PlayStation 5 or via Bluetooth, you've probably seen that it doesn't work. And the reason for that is because if it's a non-PlayStation 5 controller, it's not gonna connect like that via Bluetooth or via cable easily. So what you need to have is one of those. You can see there's an adapter right here. And if I remove it here, this is a Brook Wingman P5 adapter, it's called, by the way. And this one right here makes it so I can actually use this type of controllers here on my PlayStation 5. So I just have to connect it here. And then I also have a USB-A to USB-C cable here, as you can see. And this USB-C to USB-A cable, you don't have to have one. If you have a dongle, you can insert the dongle right here as well. And I just don't have any dongle, so that's why I'm using it here, as you can see. And the cable works fine as well without any lag whatsoever. So you can see it works. And let's see here, I'm gonna take another controller, which is also, funny enough, a wired one. So I'm just gonna take another controller and just show you that that one also works. So I'm just gonna remove this real quick and let's insert a new one right here. Perfect. So you can see now I'm able to use this specific controller also on my PlayStation 5, which you can see is obviously a non-PlayStation 5 controller also. So if you want to be able to get this specific P5 adapter from Wingman, I'm just going to remove this one. So this right here, this is the specific P5 Wingman adapter. If you want to be able to get it, I have linked a link to it in my description down below. And yes, it is an affiliate link, so if you want to be able to support me, you can purchase through it, and I may earn a small commission. But at no extra cost to you whatsoever. If you want to be able to get one of those USB-C to USB-A cables here, as you can see, I have linked also an affiliate link for it down below if you want to be able to get it. And yeah, but basically you don't even have to have one. If you have a dongle, you can insert this right here as well into adapter if you want to. But basically that is exactly how I'm able to connect a non-PlayStation 5 controller to my PlayStation 5.